You ready? This is a real unboxing. We're gonna put one in down as soon as we get past there, yeah. Okay, one more. Right there. Okay.
Then what?
And we're gonna turn it towards me. Walk towards me. And down.
I was gonna say, I'll hold it, you drive out.
Look at that, oh my God.
What could it be in the box, everybody? What could it be? Maybe it's an H2.
Maybe it's what?
Maybe it's an H2R.
Maybe it is an H2R.
Maybe it's an H2R.
Unlikely, but maybe it is. All right, I'll leave that rolled up so that I can watch this. All right.
Look right here?
Let's leave right here. No, right here. Let's go to the gym.
All right.
To the gym. Snap.
Pound.
Whoa. Nice. All I gotta do is win the lottery. Then I can just train every day.
Train and race.
Train and race and ride. Side by side. Travel.
I'm telling you, I'm thinking about that SR1, dude.
You should. RS1, buddy.
Well, we got to start researching the racing scene, though. I want to see if it's actually profitable. Got to crunch the numbers. Look at those, like 35s. Huh? Just like your side-by-side. 35 centimeters versus 35 inches.
45 centimeters. Look at the difference of that.
Oh, man, that's so awesome.
This thing's going to be like...
No, the 30... 5-hour energy later, eh? I'm on 3.5 hours sleep, man.
You got to get some sleep, buddy. I'm telling you, you're going to burn out.
And then 4 hours last night.
It's not going to work.
4 hours the night before that.
It's not going to be good for you.
And 5 before that. And then normally I like 7, 8, 9. Actually, I can go more weight. Yeah, it's a nice machine. Way better than just a dip machine using the bar. Check it out. Now I've dropped down to 7% today. Yeah, that is awesome.
Yeah, he just went and bought a new
Look at this.
Kawasaki 400 today.
Yeah, that's right. And I'll need bodywork for that paint eventually.
Yeah, exactly.
Check it out, guys. All these shifter knobs. Yeah. Everybody meet Jim.
Jim Webster.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's right.
Painter extraordinaire.
That's right. And hobby racer.
Yeah.
Wow.
And classic car. Is this the one that you've owned for 50?
I've owned that for 25.
25 years? Yeah.
The one outside I've had for 50.
Nice, nice.
And the Thunderbird outside, is it on air ride? Is that how it's sitting so low?
The Buick, yeah.
The Buick?
Yeah, I put airbags.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah, and there's some more Mystique
Project
bodywork.
Mystique. So we're actually filming Project Mystique now.
That's right. Oh, check it out. There's my old number 13 up on the thing there.
Yes, you're mock that up.
Oh, you're going to do that one too? Yeah.
Mock
Oh, mock it up with some bodywork on it.
It looks like it fits right on the bicycle. Dude, look at this.
It's pretty funny.
Awesome. Even on the camera, it's awesome. Oh, yeah. So Jim, he's painted a bunch of stuff for Quentin, and there's even the picture of Bumblebee. There it is.
Yeah.
Everybody knows Bumblebee.
Yeah, he's painted all kinds of stuff. I don't know if you can get a close-up on that
Yeah,
picture.
show us
You
the
didn't
picture
get
of your bike.
of my 02 ZX6R.
Your very first street
my
bike?
very first street bike. I had Jim totally do a wild custom paint job on it. Let's see, can you get a full zoom in on that?
Oh, yeah.
Polished frame.
Zoom in on that. Boom.
Let's see, can we get that? There we go. Look at that.
Oh, let's try to focus. There we go. Yeah. That's when you're the novice on the street.
I know, right? Yeah, on the street. Didn't even know anything about racing at that time.
You're lucky to be alive with that
Pretty
thing.
funny. Now looking back, how long ago that seems, but it wasn't that long ago.
Check it out. It's like through the Dunlop tire.
Dunlop racing tunnel.
Whoa, pretty quick. This one stays on the track pretty good.
Yeah, he's got it dialed in.
Which one is that? Number 7.
Oh, there's the wheelie one I was telling you about, Marcel. It's like a 56 Chevy or something. 57.
Yeah, like I was telling you earlier, Quinn, my buddy Marty in Washington, he does the same thing.
Oh, that's what you were saying. Yeah, he's got a whole huge.
Yeah,
garage setup.
he's just like you. He's got a track just like this.
Yeah.
It's not, now we got video games and Netflix. Yeah.
Yeah.
Times have changed.
Actually, you know what just caught my eye for the paint job? Is your BMW thing that you got down there. See how it's got this silver line in between the blue and the white? I think it's the silver is the way to go.
What are you talking about, Quinn?
The BMW right there, the badge at the end of the track.
And the blue is even.
And the blue is even perfect.
Well, it's an opaque blue.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh,
but
right there.
Yes, that tone of blue with but a nice bright metallic in it.
Right, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I think the silver. I think that's a perfect separation between it.
Or Quinn, you should actually show everybody.
The gold is going to be tricky, right? So.
The Batmobile?
The Road Warrior.
The Road Warrior.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
got, like skulls and flames on it.
Yeah, look at the.
Check it out. It's all ghosted in there. That's so cool. And then all notched out. That's awesome.
Oh, wow. That's awesome. Rick Quinn, you should also show me the picture of your design.
Nope, can't do it.
Oh, it's
Nope.
top secret?
Top secret still. It's too
All right.
early. It's too early.
The Grey Poupon. I don't know.
Is it glued down there?
It's just sitting on some double-sided.
Oh, yeah.
I don't even remember the old.
It's a Grey Poupon.
Yeah, they come in-
That's
they
awesome.
Pull up in a rolls and say, pardon me, but do you have
Get
any
some
Grey
Grey
Poupon?
Poupon.
That's how many people ask me that in this car, so now I can say, but of course.
But of course. I like the woodwork inside. Like, is that real?
It's
Original wood?
Yeah, burled maple.
Wow.
Burled walnut.
Now I want some mustard.
That's unreal. And still original.
Yeah. Well, I
cleared it, yeah.
Cleared this part of it.
Yeah, this off-white is so nice.
That man, whoever laid that piece out, like it's just perfect. It's the
really-
middle.
Yeah, it looks like a demon's face.
Yeah, it's so cool.
What are you talking about?
Right here in the center of the dash, it looks like a demon face there.
Oh, let me jump
The
in
jaw,
there.
like the jaw, and then little demon hands kind of coming
Oh,
up.
right in the
What they do is
woodwork.
they take the veneer and they cut and they reverse it. From
Oh,
one side
is
to
that
the
how
other.
they got it to be even from that?
Yeah, so it's
that makes sense.
One side is
So it's like a mirror image of both. Yeah.
Yeah, it's just
But
meeting in
a
the
thin
center.
veneer,
Yeah.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Very nice car.
So what
Look,
year is
look at
this,
the
Jaguar?
seats.
62.
62.
Look at the seats. They're still in great quality.
Yeah, it's
Oh, the door's closed perfectly.
they shut by themselves.
Yeah.
Look at the grease nipples on the hinges.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
You don't see that anymore.
No.
That was just-
Oh, wow.
All right.
That's amazing.
English Ford.
An old British Ford. Look at that.
Oh, wow.
It's like a navy blue.
Dark navy blue.
Yeah.
Midnight blue. That's the original color. Yeah.
Look at that front end.
That's so cool. Look at all that chrome work in there.
Black, but it's
Wow.
The heavy steel work. Tilt out windshield. Is it a tilt out windshield? Yeah.
paint.
That's so cool.
That's awesome.
And you've owned it for 50 years.
Yeah.
You bought it brand new?
No.
It's a little older than 50
I was
yees.
13 years old when I got it.
Yeah.
And I'm 64 now.
Gotcha.
Yeah, but I'm not 64
Check
though.
out this motor. This is the tiny little. I don't know if you can see it.
Oh,
A little
Magnifying glass.
dual sign.
It's a little tiny flat four-cylinder.
4-cylinder?
1100 cc. The toolbox.
oh, there it
Oh, a
is.
toolbox. That's awesome.
Yeah, I can see it now.
You get the transfer sleeve spring.
So is it a 6-volt then?
No
6
water
volt,
and
yeah, 6
red.
volt positive.
Nice.
Yeah, well, I just wanted to
Keep a reminder.
remind myself.
Remind yourself, yeah.
In the springtime when I can get her back on the road again.
Post-gym workout food.
There you go. Check it out, guys. We've done a lot today. Wow, just
We've
enough.
been busy.
Just enough.
Yeah, we've been busy.
We got to finish her off. The bike is still just hanging out in the box.
Oh, I know. We can get that inside the shop. Oh, well. It's fine. It's safe where it's at.
Well, it's got antifreeze in it from the OEM.
Oh, I'm sure it does.
Or maybe it's got nothing in it, but probably has. Anyways, this is awesome, guys. I'm starving. Let's get some calories. Okay, it's been a long day, guys.
What is this box?
What's going on
It's not
here?
Christmas. Was Santa here?
All right.
I don't know.
Color night. Back her up.
We'll see what that is in the morning.
The UPS guy's been here.
UPS has been here. That's a good delivery driver.
Yeah.
I wonder if maybe he had the wrong address.
Hey guys, good morning. Another day of the bike build series and trailer build and a bunch of shit. Couldn't find my eye protection. Well, that's essentially what we need.
Yep.
So, what's that box over there too, bud? Hanging out in the corner?
I don't know. Somebody dropped off something over there.
Yeah, I know. It came from Thailand, it says.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Something from Thailand.
What could it be? I hope this is the right hole. Yes, it is. He's making some music.
The aluminum box song.
Yeah. So it's coming together, guys. Quentin's got his hammer, and we got a little bit of Milwaukee. Yeah. Check out my spare tire, still rocking out on the side. Very unique for sure. And then after this, we're gonna go check out the bike build series.
What's in that box over there?
What's in that box from Thailand? Okay, so we got the drill holes reamed out, and blow her out now, guys.
Blow out the box.
Yep. Clean box.
Gotta have a clean box, buddy. Gotta have a clean box.
A strong hammer. Part 2. And I'm trying to make better use of the Seattle toolbox here with my bolts. So I went and got some Bass Pro Shop fishing tackle boxes, as opposed to my mix match of ones here. So I can, and then I got a whole bunch of extra bolts and fender washers, so you have a variety of everything, guys. Always need everything on hand. I got my safety goggles on.
Captain Safety in the house.
So this bike is going to be the lightest 400 that exists on the market, and we still need a name. You know, it could be Lightning, Project Lightning.
Could be lightning.
Fuck, it kind of looks like Lightning, you know, with a little bit of Ghost Ninja in there.
I kind of like Ghost. Project Ghost.
What is that character, that animation character? Ghost, not Ghost Rider, but that girl. Do you remember Ghost?
Well, Storm was the one
completely. It's a different character. She rides a robot and shit. But anyways, the first step to lose some weight is to lose these little terminal edges.